Get ready for the dictation. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start.
1. Applications are invited for the post of stenographer in the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Upper age limit 40 years. Candidate must hold a bachelor degree in science, arts, or any other discipline of a recognized university. Must have passed the government technical examination in shorthand and typewriting in English by the junior or senior grade. He should have working knowledge in computer or application of computer in the day-to-day functioning of office. Candidate will be given consolidated pay of rupees 20,000 per mensum. Interested candidates may send their resume with passport size photograph and Xerox copies of all certificates to the Secretary, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, High Court Campus, Chennai, on or before 10th December 2018. Draft advertisement to be issued by the Bar Council. 2. Sealed tenders are invited for formation of link road from Karur railway station to National Highway 7. Estimated cost of the work is rupees 1800 lakhs. Work should be completed within 18 months. Amount of earnest money deposit is 1% of the value put to tender for the work. Tender documents can be obtained from the office of the Commissioner of Karur Municipality up to 2 p.m. on 27th December 2018. Last date and time for submission of tenders 3 p.m. on 28th December 2018. Opening of tenders at 4 p.m. on the same day. Draft tender notice to be issued by the Commissioner of Karur Municipality. 3. 11 members of a family from Tiruvettriyur went to a temple in Pollachi in a sports utility vehicle and were returning home. Around 8 p.m. on Monday, the car went out of fuel. The driver parked the car on the side of the road, turned on the hazard lights, and went to buy fuel while the family members slept in the vehicle. A truck from Tirunelveli carrying paper rolls rammed into the car from behind. The car rolled down into the bushes and turned upside down. The truck driver fled the spot. A few passers-by alerted the police. Madurandagam police reached the spot and admitted the injured to the Chengalpattu Government Hospital. A case has been registered and the police are looking for the driver. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident.